Hello, in this video I want to show you how to boost jump in Dragon's Dogma 2. To do this you will need to have a fighter pawn like I have right here, and then you'll need to find a specific spot that you want to boost jump, maybe a chest or some item, and point at it, click on 1 to go. And then your pawn should start approaching the area, and now you'll be able to jump on him and he will boost you to whatever spot you want. So let's try that again. Okay, so we have the chest right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.